Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where we get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me as usual is my husband Marcel. Now this morning we are in Manchester and we are going to be speaking to a lady whose name is Joan Gordon. So we'll talk to her in a little while, but please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's go talk to her now. Miss Gordon, good morning. How are you?
I'm giving thanks. I got bed last night.
Mm-hmm.
I wake up this morning.
Yeah.
Me have life.
You have life.
Yes, I have
So
to
you're good.
give the good morning, sir. Yes, ma'am, I'm good.
Okay, okay.
I'm
What
good.
you doing?
Michelle, me have these peas here, so
Yes.
me reap them and me picking them out.
Oh, is what kind of peas is?
Jerusalem.
Oh,
You ever see them
Jerusalem.
before?
I think I've seen them, but not this type of red. It's a darker
Okay,
shade of red, like
okay.
burgundy.
Okay.
Yes.
As me hear you coming, me was just looking about it, forgive you.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yes,
my goodness.
yes,
That's
yes.
so nice.
We didn't married, and married when me 21 and my husband was 25.
Yes. How old are you
Um,
now?
I'm 73 going 74.
Wow. Okay.
And we married and we lived for 48 years. And December gone, 8 years since he did. And this is not the house, this is from my mother's house.
Okay.
The house when me and him did a build, him dead, he no finish.
Okay. So where's that house?
Just there, up there. So
Oh.
one house there, right?
Okay, okay.
Right. So up there never so convenient. So me left up there and me
You come back
come down
here.
here. So me alone is here. Yes. So
Okay, so you call us. So
yes.
tell us now your reason for doing so.
Pardon me?
So you called us.
Yes.
Yes, you wanted us to come. So tell us your reason.
Yes. The reason why I don't have a bathroom, pit toilet, see the toilet down there, so
Okay.
it's a pit toilet. And when we fi bathe, you want to come in the house?
We'll go in a little while.
Okay.
Yeah.
And inside of me bathe because I don't have a bathroom and I
Okay.
don't have a toilet. Right. So me see you helping other people, so me call to find out if you could help me.
Oh, okay, too?
But okay, me wouldn't, me have a stove there, not working. Only two no more part panny or a light.
Okay.
And the bed there sometime them picnic come spend little time with me. Me not have no mattress on it. So me da want little help.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So
So me don't
how,
know what you can do for me.
okay, so how old are your children? And how many of them do you have?
Me have 4 children. 2 girl and 2 boy.
Okay.
One live in Wait a bit. One live in Lower River. One live in town and the other one live Spaldings.
Okay, okay. So they're not able to render any assistance?
Yes, they give me, yes man. I mean, through me not working, yes. When they're ready, they give me something and me get, every other month me get one little money from the parts.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
and use
man.
that to do
Then-
what?
Pardon me?
And you use that money to do what?
When me use it to buy me gas, pay me light bill, buy little food.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
But it's not enough to
No, to do nothing.
to do anything else.
Elsewise. Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Me have sugar.
Okay.
Me have pressure. Me have asthma. And me have cholesterol.
Okay.
Yeah. Me get medication. Me got me join the clinic. So whenever time me appointment next month we go back at the
Okay.
with the clinic.
So you normally get your medication
Yes,
at the clinic for
yeah,
free?
yes, when we go at the clinic, you go at the hospital, yeah man, now we collect all of them there. With the sugar, the pressure, the asthma, and the circulation, and the cholesterol, we collect all
Okay.
of them there. Medication fee,
Okay.
for them there.
Okay.
Yes.
So so where do you cook now? Because you said the stove
Yes, the stove, yes man, we still cook on it, but me
this
mean...
is only 2 burners working.
Yes, yes. Yeah, man, it's
Okay.
on me cook on it same way. Yeah, man.
So your immediate need as it is now would be what? The stove that you
Yes,
told us about, and
yes,
what else?
and the mattress.
Oh, the stove and the
Yes.
mattress. Okay.
I was telling you about the whether if me could have get any help to fix up that the house when me and my husband did a look about. You only want one door and one pane a window. Yes. Up
Oh,
there, yes.
so you just want a door and a window?
Yes, man. You just want a door and a window and yes.
And what else? That's it?
Yes, the door, the window. The door, the window and the solitex.
Oh, so you have
But bathroom, we did a make bathroom in there. But you know, so it never finish. It no finish.
but if you get the door and the window
Yes,
up
ma'am.
there would
Yeah.
be better than
Then,
here.
yes, because me I go show you inside how inside of this
Okay,
one stay.
okay.
Right.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
So we
I'm
can
going
take a look now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Come. If I long and broke the foot
Uh-oh.
the walker, Mr. Walking stick me have.
Okay.
Let me go.
Yes.
Yes, man. Let me go along with.
Okay.
Yes, me. So me I tell you, so this is my mother house. I hear so me really, me really live.
Yes.
That's so me have to beg somebody put them there so for me bed for the foreign broke.
Oh,
I mean, I
okay.
go drop down through there.
Oh, the board
Right,
rotten.
right. So it's like I this so now. Me bed car I need this on my room where me sleep.
Oh, so you bed in here, so?
Yes.
And you
Because
sleep over there,
this,
so?
yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, that's on my bed where me sleep.
So it's
Right.
8 years now you've been living down here?
9 year.
9 years.
I mean 5.
5?
5, yes,
Oh,
5
okay.
year. Since me moved from up at that the house where me and my husband did a bill,
Yes.
me come down here. So.
Okay, okay.
Yes. So
Okay.
me no have no money for repair this one. But that up there now go on the door,
And the window.
the window, and the bathroom making at the house, you know, but not done to it as we did a try to
Okay.
do a thing.
Okay.
Right, but
Okay, so it's really that space up there that you and your husband started that
yes,
you wanted the help with?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. So you see how you help a lot. A person and your husband.
Yes.
Oh Jesus, my girl,
Yeah.
I tell you. God is so good.
Yes,
Can't
indeed.
complain.
Indeed.
I tell you, you do it so good. Yes, man.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I hear so up at the other yard now, if you want to go up there.
Yeah, we'd love to see it.
Yeah, man. If you go up
Yeah.
there, go see
Okay.
how up there really stay.
Okay,
Yeah, man.
okay. So most times so you live alone?
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Oh, so
Most times, sometimes the daughter will live at town. Sometimes me go up there, go spend a little time with her. She want me to come live with her, but you know, true me now. That's no matter of fact, so I can help myself and I can move around.
Right.
If you go pressure them and live with them and all of that. Me say me
Yes.
rather stay so till when the time come and I can move and can help myself, then me
Yeah.
we go.
But for now, you'd prefer
Yes,
to be
yes,
down here?
yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
Yes.
All right. So, because you mentioned your leg is broken,
Yes,
was broken
yes,
some
yes,
time ago.
yes.
So, would you be able to go up and show us the place?
Yes, man. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Me have
Right.
me come on.
Or you use a walker to go up the hill? Or
me
use a stick?
Me use a stick, man. Me come on.
Okay. All right.
This is what me use.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right.
This is what me use.
Okay, so you can go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Yes, ma'am. So this is the house that me and my husband did live. We only did finish this room and live in there. But unfortunately, never get fi
Oh.
complete. Yes, never get fi complete.
Okay.
Yes.
But this is in need of a lot of repair because the wall over there is broken.
Okay, okay,
Yes, it's broken, man.
okay. So this is
Oh.
round here. So the where we did a start fi build. Yes, so is the bathroom.
Oopsie. Oh, you
Yes.
build on this part.
Yes. But through the death, the sickness and everything, he couldn't get fi work and fi go any further. Right. So
Okay.
right. So he's up here. So I did it before. Me move go down to my mother house.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. All right. Okay. Oh, and down here, so what was supposed to be down here, so now?
You know, said yes. So this part around here, yes, sir. I did the hall part. There's a room there, and there's another room round here. So this part was the hall. Yes, sir. One of the room, and this part was the hall, and
Oh.
around here the other part, two part around there, so was room.
Okay.
But we did
Okay.
a try fi
50.
sort out.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. So you're saying no. So the window and door you mentioned earlier would be for right here,
Yes.
so?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
And the window for over there.
Yes. Yes.
Oh. But it no look so safe because that wall is broken. The top part and the bottom part is broken. So you might need a little bit more than that. And the roof too is entirely gone. Well, not the roof, but the ceiling.
Right.
The ceiling.
You need the solitex. Right.
Okay.
Yeah, so we live for Trillana, we from, but we buy this piece of land here and start to build. But unfortunately, the husband just take sick and couldn't manage anymore. So it's just here, so we could have reached because with the one room no more we did live in and all along.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So we did have out here, so but we back up with the zinc and we did put the stove out here, so and was working all along.
Okay, so if you get the door, the window, and the ceiling repaired, you're saying that you'd prefer to be up here than down there.
Because you see down there now, you see the up here, so now down the one, the solid up here not wetting.
Yes.
But down there now, you see where.
Down there is wetting.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I'm in need. I don't have a husband. My husband died 8 years now. And this is the house that me and him did live in. But it never so convenient. So my mother did have one down there. I move and I go down there. But now I would need a little help. To see if I could get the window and the solitex put back up there and one door and the bathroom. Because not only show you the pit toilet. It's a pit toilet me have down there.
Yes, you had mentioned it.
Yes, it's a pit toilet me have. Sometimes I want it peel me have to use and carry go through it in it because me afraid say maybe through a board, me go down there and me good for drop down through there.
Okay.
So me use it. Yes. So I would very thankful and grateful if me could have get the help for just the window and the door.
Yes.
made her feel comfortable up here more. Because the down there so true it a wet and me not have no bathroom and me not have no toilet. So somebody who willing to assist me, I would be very grateful. Because it's like down there now sometimes if they them come and come look for me the mattress with the on the bed, you know, wonderful. And I have a stove and I have two parts. Sometimes when I light the one part out and the other part no light. Because a long time I have it.
Yeah.
So I'm grateful for anybody who could assist me and help me. I would be very grateful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, everyone. So you heard Joan's story. So if there's any way that you're in a position and you're able to assist her, please reach out to us at 876-512-4055. All right. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching and always staying tuned and always supporting the channel. Thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love. Bye-bye.